Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the keyboard recognized by your phone. Open Settings and go straight to Languages and Input or Keyboard. Don't waste time searching elsewhere. Tap to add or enable the keyboard you installed, and make sure you grant microphone and clipboard permissions if you plan to use voice typing or clipboard features. Once done, set it as the default input method so it opens automatically. This quick sequence ensures your keyboard is active and ready for the next configuration steps. Now configure how you type. You can choose QWERTY or another layout and enable one-handed mode if you hold the phone with one hand. This changes key spacing for accuracy. Turn on autocorrect and word suggestions to speed up typing, and enable swipe typing if you prefer sliding between letters. Customize appearance and tactile feedback, key press sound, vibration intensity, and keyboard height to match your habits. Once set, test typing in a Notes app to confirm the feel and prediction behavior. Finish by learning advanced tools that boost speed. Set text shortcuts for long phrases, use the Clipboard Manager for multiple copied items, and enable multilingual typing if you switch languages. If the keyboard lags, clear its cache, check for updates, or reinstall the app to resolve corruption. Make sure to restart your phone and, if necessary, reset keyboard settings to factory defaults. If nothing fixes it, test a different keyboard app to pinpoint whether the issue is the app or the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.